to go. Ride the future.
No wonder China is harvesting personal information from social media. This isn't new. They collect data to store and train their AI systems while cleverly restricting their own internet access from the rest of the world. Without a VPN, Chinese users can't browse globally, yet foreigners can freely access Chinese websites and apps. This benefits China as they gather more data without regard for privacy. The internet isn't safe, and while we don't sell our information to the government, this brings us to today's topic, KLING AI. KLING AI is an alternative to Sora AI, a video generator. As people eagerly await Sora, I decided to try KLING AI for early access to see its performance. I was disappointed by their system. They demand personal data for access, and even then, usage isn't guaranteed. You can register on KLING AI in 3 ways, through 2 Chinese software or a browser. However, KLING AI collects phone numbers, which is a major concern. Providing personal information via third-party apps and a phone number is risky, exposing your IP address as well. Why do they need personal information? If they genuinely want to provide access, they could limit daily usage. Since registration via WeChat is possible, why collect phone numbers? When I suggested in their official group that global users can get early access using Gmail, they were upset. The KLING AI community is hostile. They assumed I was American or Indian and responded rudely, defending their government and policies. I took a screenshot of their behavior. After some argument, they kicked me from their server. The KLING AI community is toxic, and I suspect KLING AI is stealing from Sora AI and other models. Some users have access, but the generated videos are low quality and slow. It seems like a mix between Leonardo AI and Midjourney. Even many Chinese users haven't received access yet. I'm alarmed by how brainwashed they seem by their government, thinking they are superior to others, particularly Americans and Indians. Despite not knowing me or my race, they were discriminatory. To conclude, don't apply for access to KLING AI. Even after submitting my application, registration numbers kept growing, pushing me back. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you.